Joel. Look at that. That's how you get the response.
It's another training day. We started with building a fire. Notice how the fire is behaving.
Then we walked over to the dam to immerse in its energy and to practice our connection to see better results. Then, when we got back to the fire, I spent some time honing my connection and really dialing in to see how the magnetics of my body and the fire interact so that I can accelerate it and change its behavior. Watch closely.
I think he actually killed the guy, but I think the old at his house and everything.
Nice, Joel. Look at that. That's how you get the responsivity out of it. Throw it a little bit bigger and then push that thing.
Yeah. Ooh, it's hot.
Holy shit.
Careful.